Okay, we're going up to Shining Nerd 3D. Here they sell 3D prints, toys, got the little guys, prices. They make these, pretty cool. Pokemons, little gummy bear fidgets. That guy's kind of cute. Look at this one, very cute. Pokemon. He looks like he's crocheted, but honestly, he's not. He's 3D print. Oh, you have Squirtle. Dragons. Little dragons. We have more. Even the big statues. The machine where he makes the 3D prints. Look, a mini vending machine. How cute. We also have keychains. That's really cute. It's a toilet paper. And you have the cup holders. Oh, look at this guy. Little dinosaurs. The egg. Look at that. Tombstones. And that one. I'm not sure what that one is. Maybe a dice one. Okay, guys, we're going to go to the next one.